Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, I have a cool soft song here from Tems featuring Brent Faiyaz called Found. So, with jazzy feeling here on this one, and yeah, pretty same through the whole song here, so that's cool. Let's start. We don't need any capo for this one, and we have 4 different chords to handle here. So, let's go through them first. First, we have the G major 7 sus2. It's much easier to grab this chord than say it. So yeah, looks like this. So that is 3rd on the E string. Then you actually play muted A string. I mute it, but you can have the open A string if you wish. Then open D string. Then open G string and 3rd B string and 2nd E string. So 3rd E, open A, open D, open G, 3rd B and 2nd E. Yeah. Next chord will be F sharp 7. And we will add 1 note there. But the chord looks like this, so you need to bar the 2nd fret here, all strings. And the rest will be 4th on the A string, 3rd on the G string, and you can add this 5th on the B string. It's not necessary, it's just an extra touch to this chord and the way of playing in just this particular song here. So that's the F sharp 7. Then we have the B minor 7. So you bar still the 2nd fret here, this time from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on the D string and 3rd on the B string. And the final chord will be just a plain B chord here, like this. So you're keeping this bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. And the rest will be 4th on the D string, 4th on G, and 4th on the B string. So that's a B chord there. Okay, so like I said, very easy to remember how it's played because it's the same through the whole song. You will play 1 for the G major 7, 1 for the F sharp, and you will play that for 3 rounds. So G major, F sharp, G major, F sharp, G major, F sharp. And then you will end with 1 B minor 7 and 1 B. So G, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, B minor, and B. That's the chord progression there. And that goes for the entire song there. Now, how do we handle this chord? And that is important because that gives us the right feeling and the rhythm for the song. So it's the same pattern here, you can say, for how to handle these chords. Most of it, most of it. So if we start here with a G major 7 sus2, I will show you how to play that chord. It will sound like this. Okay, so what we're looking for here is patterns here. This is how we play it. So you're gonna start with the bass here. In this case, it's the 3rd on E string. And then you play the open G string. And then you play the 3rd B string together with the 2nd E string. So far. You play that 1 more time. And then you just add 1 extra 3rd on B string together with 2nd E string. So it will be like this, the full G chord here. And in standard tempo. That's the feeling there. And then you switch chord here to the F sharp 7. And if you want, you can add this fifth on the B string. It's not necessary. It's just if you want it, you can give it a kick there. And sometimes you can just have it without, just with the barred here on the second fret. It's up to you, just to get a variation here. In the actual song, it's used there sometimes. So that's why I show it to you now. So you're gonna play in the same pattern there as we just learned for the G. So in this case, bass will be on the second fret E, then third fret G string, and then depending on if you have this fifth on the B string or not, we can go with it now. So it will be fifth on B string together with second on the E string. And you do that for one more time. Second E, third G, and fifth B together with second E. And then you just give the extra kick here, fifth B together with second E. Okay, so just to repeat this. Yeah, like this. And then you will do that for 3 rounds. So back and forth there, 3 rounds. Then you will play 1 round of B minor 7 and 1 round of B. And that will be like this. So almost the same as we learned for the G and F. What you do there, same pattern. In this case, the bass will be second on the A string. So second A string, then second G string when you're playing this B minor 7. And then third B string together with second E string. So we will play that for 2 times. And you don't have this extra kick here that we'll learn on the G and F. So you just leave it at that. 2 times of the B minor 7. And then you switch to the B. And you will play the exact same way here, just holding a different grip there. But you will start this again there with the second on the A string. Now the fourth on the G string. And then the fourth on the B string together with the second on the E string. And you play it for 1 more time. And also here without this extra kick that we'll learn on the G and F sharp. So that is really what this song is all about. So I'm gonna show you slowly now how this this chord progression round goes, and yeah, you can try to follow there, and then I will speed up to a standard tempo. So let's go. Yeah. And if we go like normal tempo, something like this. Yeah. So that pretty much covers the song, because this goes round and round with this found song here. So good luck with this one, and if you enjoyed it, please let me know that. And even better, thumb up and be a subscriber and get all cool stuff here. And yeah, notice, you will get noticed about it if you subscribe there. And yeah, that's it for this time. See you soon, and don't forget, play tune.